Now, we will be reviewing the self-massage technique, the Levator Scapula Massage Ball Release technique. To perform the release work, let's start by finding the top of the shoulder blade and placing the ball over the meaty part just above the bone. If you're not sure if you found the top of your shoulder blade, then what I want you to do is keep one hand over the top of the shoulder blade, and with the other, move the arm in a semicircle. At this point, you should begin to feel that bone move, and then hold your finger there until you can replace it with the ball. So just play a pass. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get your body either between the wall or a floor, a comfortable floor, and then you're going to create pressure there. So I'm just going to back into the wall. Woo! And then make sure you get it stabilized. As you see, it can jump out. And then make sure you do not let that ball roll onto your spine while creating pressure on this area, as this could injure you. So you keep it at the top of the shoulder blade. If you want to get a little more intense with it, then you slowly move your arm up while maintaining pressure on the ball. If you were lying down on the ground, you would want to have your hips down, your knees bent, and your feet flat while you're creating pressure here. But I advise being in a standing position. So as you see, you hold, you breathe, you wait. If you feel pain travel or radiate, then it's a trigger point, which just means it's a more intense, not on steroids. You just wait till that pain goes away, and then you release. You can take the ball, come off it. You can do the same thing, find the top of the shoulder blade. Then once you do, make sure that you're on the muscle. Then switch the ball, and then go and put the ball in place. Compress, hold, and breathe. You'll hold for the same amount of time. I'm not going to hold it as long. And then when you're done, you'll have done the Levator Scapula Massage Ball Release technique on both sides.